Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today we are at Walgreens and we are here to do some deals for the week of the 10th through the 16th of April. And I gotta say guys, I almost skipped this week. And the only reason why I came this week was because I knew I had to announce my giveaway winner. I was really nervous about coming in this week and doing a lot of deals or anything like that because of this new update. And there was a lot of problems. I'm not gonna lie, there was a lot of problems that most people probably should have skipped this week. But you know what? I'm just going to give it a go and see what I can come up with and still show you a few deals. You know what I mean? So we always got to look on the positive side because there's always good news there. I really like that. I just come up with that. I love that. But anyways, there's always good news. You know what I mean? It might just be a kernel and it might be a whole buttload, but you just never know. Oh my gosh, what am I talking about? But yeah, that's just me, guys. I'm sorry. I'm just a weirdo sometimes. But anyways, yeah, there were lots of issues, mainly with register rewards and register rewards not printing or not scanning. So I'm going to try to stay away from register reward deals and stick to just deals with Walgreens cash. And I know there's not a lot, but we'll come up with some good stuff. So anyways, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm Sarah and I'm a little goofy, but I also like to show you how to save money any way that I can. Also, there is a Google Doc linked down below in the description box for you to help you out in store or to help you out with your planning. But that's really it, guys. So let's go inside and see what we can do.
So we're going to start off with a spend $20, get back $5 in Walgreens cash. And I basically just want to get the paper products for this transaction. So I'm going to grab the Cottonelle. It says they're now $10 a package. The shelf still says $10.99, but they will ring up for $10 a piece. And that is the $20 right there. But I am going to build the transaction up slightly. So I do have a 3 off 2 digital coupon for these. You may have a higher coupon. Then I'm going to grab the Scott for $5, and we have a $1 off digital coupon and a $1.25 IVC coupon for that as well. Then we're going to go over and grab some Bulldog products. They're still on promotion this week, so I'm going to grab a body wash for $7.49 and a shave gel for $7.49 as well. Those will equal out to $14.98. They are still buy 2, get back $4 in Walgreens cash, and we have that 7 off of 2 digital coupon that will expire at the end of this week. So after the coupon, your total will be $7.98. You will get back $4 in Walgreens cash, making them $3.98 for both of them, or $1.99 a piece. And I think that is a very good deal. So if you didn't do it last week, you can still do this promotion with the digital coupon this week as well. And it will really help us build up our transaction with that $7 coupon. So then we're going to just grab one more item, and it's going to be the hair mask here by Shea Moisture. It's $3.29. We have a $3 off digital coupon for that. And then I'll go over the total and all that in the car for this transaction. So for our next transaction, we are going to grab some Gold Bond. I have a $4 off only for you coupon. So I'm looking for the cheapest item possible that isn't a hand cream. So this is $6.99, and that $4 off digital coupon will come off, making this guy here just $2.99. And only for you coupons are personalized coupons, and not everybody receives those coupons. Next, we're going to grab some Shea Moisture bars. These are buy one get one 50% off. So one will be $5.49 and one will be $2.74. So that will equal out to $8.23. We have a 6 off 2 digital coupon that will come off of these Shea Moisture bars here, making it just $2.23 for both bars. And that's an incredible price. Also good for bulking up our transactions. So next I'm going to do a deal that I did in my best deals video for this week that I posted last week. So we're going to grab the Skintimate shave creams. They're $2.99 a piece on sale, and when you buy 3, you will get back $3 in Walgreens cash. So I, of course, am grabbing 3 of these here. They will cost me $8.97. I have a $1 off digital coupon. Sorry if it's a little fast there. And so I would pay $7.97. If you did this deal by itself, you could use Walgreens cash. So I'm going to get back $3 in Walgreens cash, making my final total for the 3 $4.97, which is a little high, but it's going to equal out to a great deal. Next, we're doing the Compete. They're on a monthly promotion where you buy two, you get back $5 in Walgreens cash, and they're on sale for $6.99 a piece. So the two of them will equal out to $13.98, but we got some really nice insert coupons from the 410 Save Insert. So you're going to use two of those $4 off coupons. That will bring your total down to $5.98. But you'll get back $5 in Walgreens cash. Then you're going to submit your receipt to Ibotta, and you will get back two different rebates on Ibotta, one for the advanced corn and one for the mixed care, the sports medium kind, making your total for the both of them free and a 102 moneymaker. Absolutely amazing deal, especially if you're working towards your Ibotta bonuses. Next, we're going to do some oral care. The oral care is part of a buy three, get back a $5 register reward. We're going to get these little bottles of mouthwash here for $2.99. I thought my store only had two. They had some more at the front of the store. So check end caps if your store is low on a certain item that is a deal of the week. Then we're going to grab a toothbrush for $3 as well. That's going to bring our total up to $8.98. We have a 4 off 3 digital coupon that is attaching to these. Last week we had a 6 off of 3, and this week that coupon is gone, even though it is not expired yet. So this is going to bring our total down to $4.98. We'll get back a $5 register reward, making these 3 items free. So then we are going to grab the Burt's Bees Kids Toothpaste at $3.99, and I am going to submit my receipt to Ibotta and get back a $2 rebate on Ibotta for this. And it's just to get another Ibotta rebate. So then I grabbed the Splenda shakes. Now, when I grabbed these, the pharmacist and the store manager were talking right in front of them, so of course I couldn't film there. So these are $9.99. We have a $4 off digital coupon. That will bring our total down to $5.99, but we're going to submit our receipt to Ibotta and get back $2, making them $3.99. Now, I don't have a paper booster for this transaction. I haven't paid for my first transaction yet, but I'm hoping, really hoping, that I will get a 20% off booster. It's not really a booster, it's just a coupon, but it will take $2 off of this. It'll take off some money as well from the Burt's Bees toothpaste. So I'm really hoping that I get one. So then we're going to go and grab one more item for our transaction. And we're going to grab another one of those masks for $3.29 and with $3 off digital coupon. So this is everything for my spend $60, get back $15 in Walgreens cash. Like I said, I don't have any paper boosters to get more back on this as well, but I am hoping for a 20% off coupon. I haven't gotten one in quite a while. So let's go check out, and I'll see you in the car, and we'll talk about how everything went.
All right, guys, so we are back in from Walgreens, and I tried to play it safe in there, but I don't think there was a lot of issues. There was one mistake that the cashier made, but that's totally fine. That was just a weird fluke thing. So anyways, I don't think there was really any issues. So I'm glad that sometimes I coupon on Tuesdays at Walgreens and not Sundays, but then there's times where but anyways, I don't think there was really any issues. The only difference I see with this update, and I don't know if it's going to be a permanent change or not, is when you're looking at your receipt, it just says manufacturer ECPN for a digital coupon, or it says just a manufacturer CPN for a paper coupon. So I just don't know. I don't like that. I just don't know, I don't really like that, because if I do a bigger transaction, I'm not going to know exactly what coupon come off and what didn't come off. That's the problem for me anyways. So I did 2 transactions today. I did a spend $20, get $5 in Walgreens cash, and a spend $60, get back $15 in Walgreens cash. I built up my spend $20, get $5, but I did not build up the spend $60, get $15, because to do that and use Walgreens cash on a transaction like that, you would have to build up your transaction to over $100. And I didn't think the deals were there with higher value coupons. So with that being said, I did build up my spend $20, get $5. And the main reason why I was able to do that was because of the Bulldog digital coupon, which is $7, and I still had it on my account. It's buy two, get $4 in Walgreens cash. The digital coupon does expire this week though. So I had $11 in digital coupons. That meant because my spend booster was $20 and I had $11 in digital coupons, I needed to spend $9 out of my own pocket, which I did. So my total after coupons was $31.22. I spent $20 in Walgreens cash and I got back $9 in Walgreens cash. So that brought my total down to $11.02. I got back $9.26 in Walgreens cash, making it $1.76. But the actual cost of the items is more than that, but my out of pocket is only $11.02 and I get back $9 in Walgreens cash. $5 for my spend booster and $4 for the Bulldog. Now the coupons, I didn't mention the coupons. So on my coupons, as you could see on my receipt, there was a $7 digital coupon for the Bulldog, $3 digital coupon for the Cottonelle, and then a $1 digital coupon for the Scott. The main reason why I wanted to do the Cottonelle and the Scott was because of that Fetch promotion where you spend $50, you get back $15. So I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards and it tracked it for the full $25. That's the thing with Fetch. You don't know if it's going to track it before or after, and that's totally fine. So there is a little bit that's funny because with my next transaction, I'll show you what happened, but we'll do that in a second. Let's just talk about the full transaction first. So with that transaction, I also had a booster that printed out for 20% off and $10 or more. So I was actually super excited about that instead of getting a spend booster because I had some things on my next transaction that I really wish I had that 20% off booster. So I was so excited to get that. So with this next transaction, I had the spend $60, get back $15 in Walgreens cash, and I also had that 20% off paper booster. Now at my store, with the paper booster, I can either use a paper spend booster or the 20% off booster. I cannot use both. I don't know why, that some people can and some people cannot, but I cannot, and that's okay. It is what it is. Now, a few things happened with this transaction. Number one, since I did have that 20% off booster, it took 20% off of my Shea Moisture hair mask, and it took it below the $3 mark. So my $3 coupon didn't come off of there, which was unfortunate, but I didn't realize that would happen. I guess I didn't, put two and two together, but that's what happened. So I wasn't able to use that $3 off coupon, but it did come off on my other transaction. So that works totally fine. It's just, it has to be at $3 for the coupon to come off. Speaking of that, my 20% off also come off of the Splendid drinks. So that took $2 off. It also took 80 cents off of the Burt's Bees Kids toothpaste. So that's nice. And it also took 66 cents off of that hair mask. So that 20% off took off $4.86, which I think is awesome. So the only real issue that happened today was the cashier didn't ring up my paper coupons. They're the small little Compeed coupons. I set them up there. Those were the only things that I had set up there. So it's possible she didn't see them, and so she didn't ring them up. And she totaled out my transaction, and I asked if she had rung up my coupons, and she said no. And so what they did, instead of refunding me and all that jazz, they just gave me $8 in Walgreens cash. So when I tell you my numbers, these should be $8 cheaper, but that's just an honest mistake. It does happen. Granted, I paid $8 more, but it's not that big of a deal to me. You know what I mean? It's really not that big of a deal to me because they made it right, and it would have been easier to just give me $8 in Walgreens cash than to refund everything. So that was really the only mistake. So for my coupons, it shows here that I have a $6 coupon. That would be for the Shea Moisture, I have a $4 coupon and another $4 coupon. And now I'm noticing a third $4 coupon that didn't come off. So I had a $4 coupon for the Splenda, a $4 coupon for the Gold Bond, and a $4 coupon for the Crest and Oral-B. But I don't know which one come off here. Well, I have $3 coupons on here, and I'm not sure what they're from. So the $3 coupon could be from that Shea Moisture mask. It could be, because I only have... So here, I'll run down it real quick. So the Shea Moisture at the top of my receipt here, there's a $6 coupon I was using for that. The Skintimate, only a $1 coupon. The Crest and the Oral-B is a $4 coupon. The Splenda is a $4 coupon. The Shea Moisture is a $3 coupon. The Gold Bond is a $4 coupon. The Scott is a $1 coupon. So for my coupons, I know I say that a bunch today, the $3, I have two $3 coupons. So one of them has to be for the Shea Moisture mask. The other one, I don't know what it's from. It could possibly be Compeed, but that shouldn't be there if my paper coupons were rung up. My total after coupons should have been $28.31. So then I got back $23.61 in Walgreens cash. $15 for my spend booster, $3 for the Skintimate Shape Gel, $5 for the Compeed, and then I got back a $5 register reward, and it is a manufacturer register reward for the Crest and Oral-B. Now, I didn't test to see if this would scan, so we'll see. Then I submitted my receipt to Ibotta. I got back $2 for the Splenda, $2 for the Burt's Bees, and $1 for each one of the Compeeds. And that counts as 4 offers, so super happy with that. Then I submitted my receipt to Fetch Rewards, and I got credit for $3.75 on Fetch Rewards for my Scott. I don't know why I didn't get the full $5, but it is what it is. You know what I mean? And I say that to people with these Fetch Rewards tracking rewards, is that it could be for before coupons, it could be after coupons. And as you could see with my first transaction, it was before coupons. With my second transaction with my Scott by itself, it was after coupons. So I don't know. So what does that make my total for that bigger transaction? Well, it makes everything free and a $6.30 moneymaker. And I'm really, of course, really happy with that. The new changes, not a fan of, if that's a change or if that's just what's happening as a result of the update. But yeah, not seeing your coupons, what come off and what didn't come off, can be confusing. So I'm going to put the name of the winner right here to the giveaway from last week's video. I want to thank everybody for entering. That really was a lot of fun, reading everyone's responses to the code word peanut butter egg. I thought that was just such a fun way to do it. And I'm definitely going to do more in the near future, especially for Walgreens, because we do a lot of giveaways as couponers to like CVS or Amazon or something like that, but not a lot to Walgreens. And $50 would be nice to spend at Walgreens. So I'm definitely going to do it again in the near future. But I want to thank everyone for entering the giveaway and definitely say congratulations to the winner. So to the winner, please email me at my email down below. It's in the description box. Email me your address and your name so I can send it out to you. I will send out a physical gift card, and I will mail that out as soon as I hear from you. If I do not hear from the giveaway winner by Friday, then I will announce a new winner in next week's video. So definitely stay tuned, and I will definitely let you know if the winner has contacted me. So anyways, guys, thank you so much for watching. I hope you guys have a wonderful day, and I will see you all in the next video. Bye, guys.